So here in the BioGarden, I'm fertilizing these plants with just a leachate that is derived from plant matter that is soaking in water and becoming anaerobic. And you can see there's a little cannon color to the water. Well, that comes from this bucket right here, which is just decomposing organic biomass. In this case, it happens to be mate tea. We just, we fill our little container in the house and bring it out here and just plop it in the water. These buckets have rainwater. I collect it off the roof just to help me keep the pH low on my grow systems. But all I do here is I take a little bucket, a little scooper, and draw it up, and even if it's got some organic matter in it, that's okay. This thing's getting kind of full. It's still decomposing nicely. I'll put it directly in the water since we have goldfish. Little ones, they like to consume the organics in this fertilizer, and that then makes an inorganic fertilizer like fish are known to provide us, and we use it, and that recirculates in the bed, and that which doesn't get decomposed by the fish before it reaches the bed is more the finer carbon-rich liquid, and that decomposes in the plant bed with the microbes. But I do all the fertilization I need with biomass like this, and I'm growing parsley. Got a little celery down there. Got rosemary, peas, a couple of tomatoes, and basil. We've got seedlings of peppers and lettuce and basil and cucumbers in there. We got a trellis set up here. We just kind of poked it into these corrugates, and that's how we're growing plants without relying on outside nutrients. This is a very fertile system, and it'll be more remarkable during the season when plants grow all the way up this trellis. And all that's being nourished by my leachate and hydrated from rainwater, which has a low pH. That's it. Thanks for watching.